Everyone online keeps talking about passive income, how you can make money while you sleep, quit your job, and live on a beach. But let's be real for a moment. If it were that easy, everyone would already be rich. In this video, I'm breaking down the biggest myths about passive income that are actually keeping most people broke in 2025. Because understanding the truth is the first step to actually building wealth. Myth number 1. Passive income means no work. This is the biggest lie on the internet. People think passive income means you can make money without doing anything. But in reality, every passive income stream starts with active effort. YouTube channels, affiliate marketing, digital products, investments all require setup, consistency, and learning. Even real estate investors spend years studying deals before earning real returns. The truth, passive income is the reward for hard work done earlier, not a shortcut. Myth number 2. You need a lot of money to start. Many people don't even start because they think passive income is only for the rich. That's another myth. Sure, having money helps, but it's not the starting point. The starting point is skills. You can start by building digital assets. Create an ebook, start a YouTube channel, build a small online course, do affiliate marketing. Each one takes time, not massive money. Your investment is learning and consistency. Myth number 3. Passive income is fast. Every make money fast video online sells you a dream, but here's reality. Building passive income takes years of compounding effort. A YouTube creator might earn zero for months before their first paycheck. An investor might wait years before their dividends grow. The ones who win are those who stay patient, keep learning, and keep building. If it's fast, it's usually not sustainable. Myth number 4. One stream is enough. Relying on one income stream, even a passive one, is dangerous. The internet changes fast. What works in 2024 might not work in 2026. True, financial freedom comes when you have multiple streams of income. Some active, some passive, all working together. Start small, maybe YouTube plus investing plus freelancing. Then expand over time. Don't aim for one golden stream, aim for a portfolio of income sources. Myth number 5. You can copy someone else's strategy. This one destroys people silently. They see someone earning millions from dropshipping, crypto, or AI tools, and they try to copy the exact same steps. But here's the truth. Success in passive income depends on your strengths. What works for one person may completely fail for another. Instead of copying, focus on understanding why something works. Learn the principles, not the tricks. That's how you build something that lasts. If you're serious about creating passive income in 2025, stop chasing shortcuts. Focus on these 3 things. Learn a skill that the world values. Turn that skill into a digital asset or product. Invest consistently in things you understand. It's not sexy, it's not overnight, but it's real. And the people who follow this mindset, they're the ones who actually reach financial freedom. So next time someone promises you easy passive income, remember, nothing truly passive starts passively. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to NextGen Finance, where we talk about real ways to grow your money, not just dreams that sell.